Welcome to Bird Paradise, Singapore, not just a haven for exotic birds, but also a breathtaking display of tropical plants. Among them, the bromeliads steal the show. These vibrant plants, with their spiral patterns and bold colors, look like they've been hand-sculpted by nature itself. Arranged with artistic care along garden paths and water features, each bromeliad tells a quiet story of resilience and beauty. Native to the tropics, they thrive in humidity and light, capturing water in their central cups, a brilliant natural design that supports tiny ecosystems. Some bloom only once in their lifetime, but when they do, it's unforgettable. From fiery reds and electric pinks to cool greens and silvery stripes, this collection showcases the sheer diversity of the bromeliad family. As you watch, take a moment to slow down, breathe in the calm and let these natural wonders inspire your own garden dreams. Whether you're a plant lover, a gardener, or simply someone who finds joy in quiet beauty, this moment is for you. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful journey through one of Singapore's hidden gems. If you enjoyed this glimpse of tropical elegance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow nature lovers. This is Medley with Dr. Muneer, where every frame tells a story. See you in the next video.